Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how soap is made IVA step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Soaps.
We carefully balance the oils with alkaline solutions to ensure the perfect consistency and cleansing power. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Crafted with precision, every bar meets our rigorous standards for quality and purity.
Every soap bar is carefully inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how soap is made. 2-8, from start to finish.